died for you?
I don't know. Where am I?
Get up. Another useless mouth to feed. We should have left you in the mud.
Stay out of the way. Don't get anyone else killed.
Get him up. Now.
What happened? The monster!
You tell me. What is this?
It is exactly as the old text described, unmistakable.
What is? Speak plainly, Lorien.
Princess, this is the Star Watcher's sigil, a mark from a line of mages thought lost to the ages. They drew their power not from the fading magic of Ethermore, but from the light of the stars themselves. They were said to be the light that held back the first darkness, a power the undead cannot touch.
So, a flicker of that Inrant's light returns. The star spawn. After all this time, there is a new star in my sky. Find it and extinguish it.
Hey, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your favorite host, James. Today, we're going to dive in a sensational AI tool that is...
Welcome to James Shee's YouTube channel.
Pippit has always been a very important tool for me because it can convert. When it comes to AI talking photo, or if you want to make a promote AI video, Pippit is the best choice. Pippit is my best pal. You know that if you followed my previous videos. But today, I'm gonna try to make short videos based on Pippit. By using the latest AI model, Seedance 2.0 Mini, we are able to create an immersive story which can go viral on all the platforms. So if you want to make short videos, which is very on trend nowadays, you should try Pippit. Okay, let's get the party started. So first, this is the domain of the Pippit, pippit.ai, and when you type in the address, you will land in this, and this is the landing page of the Pippit. And you can find some examples of the short videos. Example like this one. I gotta say the emotional performance is quite cool, right? You can feel the tense of this character. And also the quality of this AI movie is quite nice. The quality of this AI movie is really amazing. You got an HD resolution and the camera moving is perfect. And the best thing is you can keep the consistency of the characters. You can make long TV shows. And check out this style. So this one's really got me confused because I cannot tell whether this is an AI or this is a real actors and actress. You can make it totally vivid. You can make it super real. That everybody just be immersive instead of a feeling, oh, this is AI. So are you ready to create our own? Let's dive in. So first thing first, let's log in. Alright, I am already logged in, and let's click here, Story Studio. Alright, in Story Studio, we can upload our script, and you got AI script writer, and also you got a canvas. And because we're making short dramas, so episodes are quite important, right? So here you have a generator that can produce this like up to 100 episodes, and you can make a minimum like 5 episodes. Why we want to make different episodes? Because actually there's many platforms out there. You can earn money by selling your dramas. Comment where, I will send you some. Alright, then you need to decide the aspect ratio. You got 9 to 16, 16 to 9. So this is basically the two mainstream. So first is suitable for TikTok, for YouTube Shorts, and the second one is suitable for long video format, for example like YouTube, right? And here we got a style library, and you can choose from different style and quality in fact. So initially I think we need a script. So let me click AI script writer. And let me type the prompt. Okay, I just typed all my script. And here, let's choose one of the style that's fit for our story. I want to make a story that's very immersive, and this is about James, Asian America, stepped into a magical world with dragons, with a princess, and fight with zombie armies. So which style should we go for? Actually, if you are an animated lover, you can choose a 2D or 3D to make animations based on it. And here we have a live action, and you can pick up one of the live action. This is really juicy. You got the retro film, 90s, retro Hollywood, American retro, Hong Kong film. Wow, this is so cool. I think let's go for retro Hollywood style. And for the settings, I'm thinking about to make it 9:16. And for the aspect ratio, I choose 16:9. And let's make it 5 episodes. And let's click create. Oh, this is our storyline, and we got original idea. And now our AI agent is helping us to refine the script. Let's give a second. Okay, now it's that your script summary is ready. Continue to generate episode outlines now. Let's review it first. So we got the script summary, and we got the character bio, James Lin, which is our main character, and we got the princess, Lara. Let's click continue. Okay, we are generated the script for each episode. You can click here to check. And let's click and let's generate 5 episodes directly. Alright, this is the assets of our episodes. So we got the main character James, and also we got several other characters. And for each one, you can upload the image to your character. For example, like this. But obviously, this photo just not fit. So another way is we can generate this photo. But I want to keep my face. So maybe let's click here, upload the reference material. Click here, upload. Okay. And click create. And for the rest, let's do the same, but we don't have a reference for them. Hopefully they looks good. And then we have some things that we need to decide. For example, like the basement, like the battlement, like the castle. Let's generate this. And by the way, for the model, you can choose from Pippit Any Cook 2, Nano Banana Pro, and Nano Banana 2. Okay, so this is my character, looks like me, right? And then we have our princess. We have the Shadow Knight. Okay, now all the assets are generated. FYI, this is a Pippit canvas. So in canvas, in fact, you can make a role, you can make a scene, you can make a text, image, video, audio, every asset that you will need it for your short videos. This is really cool because you can actually collaborate with other tools that you are familiar with, even upload your own images. Okay, back to Pippit. And now we already generated all the scripts, right? And now we're in the production assets. So everything is cool. Let's move to the third part. So we need to generate our 5 episodes right now. I hope it can go well. Actually, if you find yourself with a better budget, or if you find you want to make it more episodes, you can click here, add episode. And if you want to shrink it, you can click here to delete any episodes. But from my end, I think everything looks cool. We got episode 1, the Golden Seagull Wakens, and episode 2, Awakening of the Star Watcher. Okay, so let's click here, create a shooting script. Shooting script is about what is the lines that our character will say, and more like the script from the director instead of the script writer. So Pippit makes it so real that you're not using your rough script to generate short videos, which is now the industrial standard. But you got different two separate scripts. One is for story, another is for shooting, which is good. Meanwhile, we are generating all the script. Let's go to the first episode because it is ready. Oh my god, this is so professional interface I've been looking for. So we got our characters selected here because we are using them in our episode 1. And then we got the locations that we're going to use. And now in the center is our script. And it describes how our stories should go. And if you are not satisfied with it, you can click here, edit, and you can type directly. But if you're satisfied with it, you just directly click the create. And in the future, your generated clip will appear here. Alright, let's click create. I gotta admit that I always want to make my own TV shows or short videos, AI videos, whatever you call it. But I lack of the tools that can make it happen. And let's going back, let's do the same to the other episodes. Then basically the episode 2 will contain some more characters and more locations. And in the timelines, you got 6 clips. Let's click here, create. And for the episode 3, also do the same. Episode 4 and episode 5. The final thing. The dawn of Asamuder and a new home. Alright, let's give it a second. Oh, remember this, I already selected my model to Seedance 2.0 mini. And for the resolution, I choose the highest one. And now we are generating the first episode. Let's click here to preview. This is so immersive, right? And actually, you can enhance the quality. Just click here, HD button. Let's enhance it. And actually, you have this capture keyframe. This is really useful because if you want to make a transition between 2 clips, you can use this functionality to create a video based on the start frame and end frame. And here is the download button. You can download this clip. Okay, we already upscaled the clips. Now let's click here, render full episode. Now we're composing the episode. Okay, now you got your full video. You can click here to preview.
He died for you?
I don't know. Where am I?
Get up. Another useless mouth to feed. We should have left you in the mud.
Stay out of the way. Don't get anyone else killed.
I gotta say, very attractive. You can click here to download the whole episode. And you can choose with the brand watermark or without the brand watermark. Let's choose without. Alright, this is how you make short drama in Pippit. And I can generate all the clips in all the episodes, so I can make the full AI short drama. So this is the future of solo studios, faster, cheaper, and powered entirely by your imagination. If you got a short drama idea, stop waiting and start creating today. Go try out Pippit Studio. The link is right down in the description. Let's see what you can build. Hey, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and leave your comment in the comment section. And I will see you on the next one.